If it gets in your eyes, oh my god, so painful. Wow. Wow. What is up, everybody? This is Siyoung in Yoo-hoo. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about tier list of viral cleansers. Of course, I can show you guys like here and oh, this works pretty well. Oh, this is bad, but this is Siyoung's video, so I tested everything on my face right now. Ouch! To help you guys decide better. Okay, so the tier list go with the SABC. S is gonna be superb. This is my holy grail. I love it. I want to repurchase this. And A, great. Good product. I can recommend. And B, I don't think so. You don't have to buy this. It's And C, save your money. My skin type is dry, sensitive, and 3 months later I am 40 years old, so my skin getting a little more mature skin. So before we start, anybody didn't subscribe yet, just hit the subscribe, like me, and put the notification bell so don't miss out my new videos. And please leave the comment your skin type and what is your S tier cleansers between all, so we can help each other. And by the way, Happy New Year! My Siyoung cream just came out. I received it in the first day of this year. So now I'm working on taking a picture of this and then like making like a brochure. So I'll keep you guys posted. Okay, ready? Let's get started. So part 1, cleansing oils, and part 2 would be cleansing foam and other cleansers. Starting with the Viral King Anua cleansing oil. This goes to A. I got some comment, people saying, Siyoung doesn't like viral products. No, I'm not. I'm open. So if you guys never tried a cleansing oil before and oily combo skin, acne prone skin, who's like kind of like reluctant to try the cleansing oil because it's oil, try this. Because compared to other cleansing oil I'm gonna mention 8 different cleansing oils. This is the most lightweight. So it feels like, it says oil, but it's more like oil-like. So it's very light. So so the good thing is like even the newbie, it won't feel too heavy. It won't feel kind of, oh, this is kind of, maybe I thought the oil is too heavy, but this is pretty okay to try on. And little cone would be, it's very like watery, so you have to use a little more amount, because how you use the cleansing oils, you have to add the water and emulsify. So this is too much water. If you put too little amount of this, like it's hard to roll. It just feels like, where is all the oil gone? Where's all the oil disappear? So I felt this, you have to use a little more amount than other heavy cleansing oils. So worth trying it. And next, Skin 1004 cleansing oil. This is also, I felt this is much more popular outside of Korea too. And I know, I tried it many years, so I know this is very lightweight. But when I compare these two, this Anua was more like a watery. This one feels little more oil and better to roll it than that. So this goes to my ass. Wow, incredible. Because when you think about the cleansing oil compared to other foam cleansers and other gel cleanser, cleansing water, it's all about rolling, right? Rolling, and you add the water and you emulsify. So I felt it's most important thing is the rolling feeling has to be really great. But this kind of does. Still, it's pretty lightweight compared to other cleansing oils. So I also recommend for oily combo skin, acne, and anyway, and it's a Centella. So anybody really worked well with the Centella, great. Next, move on to Manyo, #1 cleansing oil in Korea for so many years. I was learning makeup at 2018 in Jeongsaemer Art School. I still remember this, I put it at my locker. So I went to makeup school every single day, like a Monday to Friday. And of course we learn makeup, like every day we do the heavy makeup and erase with this. In that time, I didn't know anything else. I thought I just bought this because it was #1 in Korea. So that was like 7 years ago. So that long #1 has a reason. So dry, mature skin, fellow ajumas, similar age or more than me, try that. Amazing thing about this Manyo cleansing oil is after you wash your face, still you feel very moisturizing. Definitely, I felt that so obviously comparing to other different 7 cleansing oils. So anybody, really dry, very dry, strippy, you feel like whenever I feel like so tight after the cleansing, just stop double cleansing and just try this. It's just go with the S. And Haruharu Wonder cleansing oil also for Koreans, none of the, I think for Koreans, people doesn't even know this brand that much, but very popular in online. And this goes to A, pretty good. If I compare with the other cleansing oils, because like all the Korean cleansing oils has like everything high quality, so nothing really sucks. So everything kind of similar, but I felt it's just like not like superb like Manyo cleansing oil, or not super that light as other like a Skin 1004, but I give this a little more point because they make the version unscented. Because Anua, Manyo, little scent. And I know for the internationals, you guys can feel a little more uncomfortable, but this definitely no scent. So anybody really sensitive about that, just try this. Round Lip cleansing oil and numbuzin Easy Peasy cleansing oil. I love their name so much. Amazing naming. So Round Lip, I think not that bad, but I wanted to give this as a B. Nothing really sucks, but nothing really amazing. I felt for me, for my everyday, for dry mature skin, I will definitely pick Manyo. And if I'm recommending to my guest, if it's oily combo skin, I think I'll just gonna let them to use, I'll just gonna recommend Anua or like Skin 1004. So this just go like in the middle. So not that bad, but it's like nothing really stands up. And little scented, I just don't like it that much. So I just gave this as a B. numbuzin Easy Peasy cleansing oil. How come they made this amazing name? After I make the Serum cream for a year, wow, I just admire all the people who make the new products. So amazing naming. And this goes to S. Woohoo, wow. I definitely, in my memory, it was just okay, but I tried it this time again and definitely I love it because how it feels the rolling, amazing. Amazing. And I was talking to my oily skin friend, makeup artist friend. She loves it. She says, "언니, I can definitely feel my blackheads are melting." So, which means like amazing for the oily combo skin too. So the texture is middle of the Manyo and Anua. So anybody wanted to try a little more heavier version than the Anua or Skin 1004, but like Manyo feels like too heavy, this can be a little in the middle. So good job. So moving on to the part 2, let's get it. Super viral, still Anua cleansing foam. And anybody, if ever read the instruction of this cleanser, it's only for the oily combo skin. So for my tier, it's gonna be at the C, okay? So on my tier, okay? So if you guys are oily combo skin and then really wanted to erase so well, then just go with this. But let's say if your skin type is like me and living in the winter and you're using this as a double cleanser, like you use the cleansing oil and you use this as a second cleanser, oh no, stop it! It's gonna be too much stripping your oil. So if you guys can understand how this cleanser made it out, then just you can save your skin barrier. But if you, after you wash your face and you feel like that tight, you gotta change something else. So this, for me, I don't think so. Next, Arencia 2 products. One pot, one tube. Originally, both were green, but the pop version discolored. Purchased from Olive Young. Yes, expiration date is 2027. Arencia says color change is fine. Formula is the same. Both are C tier. Pros, unique texture, rubbery, clay-like. And cons, tons of reviews saying skin flipped, even non-sensitive skin. If it gets in your eyes, oh my god, so painful. Honestly, shockingly bad. If you're ready about it, daily use, skin barrier damage, even for oily skin. Use only on the nose or just finish it on the body. 2 virgin is worse, more drying, harsher particle. Save your money. And Dokdo cleanser, can you see? This so huge. Dokdo in Korea is very affordable and comes with a humongous size, which makes the price really affordable. So really popular to the guys as well. And this cleanser, I would say B for me. One thing I just don't like it is the scent. It's a little disgusting. But amazing thing about this is bubbles so well, bubble. So anybody love that one? If you care about that one, it's great. Because how you actually use the cleansing foam is some lazy people, I think I used to do that. You just put it here, put the water, and then just go to your face. Oh no! If you're sensitive skin, your skin barrier will be broken. How you use it is basically you make a bubble, and you are cleansing only with the bubbles. So when you touch your face, you have to feel like your face is not just touching here, little floating. And then with no strength, you have to erase it that way. So in that way, making the bubble, that one amazing, but I felt it's a little scent. And whenever I try little makeup products, it doesn't erase that well. So I just put that as a B. So next would be COSRX Good Morning Gel Cleanser. Good point about it's an amazing name, and because they made it, I think a while ago, 3, 4, 5 years ago, it was really popular because people doesn't think about morning and night cleanser. They make it pretty light gel and not too stripping your oil that much because it's a low aesthetic. So it's a good idea to appeal to people. But oh my god, what happened with your scent? It's said too strong. I cannot handle it. So I think they gotta do something else, upgrade it more, just get rid of the scent, Haruharu Wonder. So the gel texture very light, not stripping your oil too much. But what's the point? I cannot handle the scent. So let's go with a C. Sorry. And I think after after that COSRX release, nowadays we have so many better cleansers, just Dokdo better, less scent, or make frame cleanser, or Toridun. So many low acidic foam cleanser options, so no reason to use COSRX. And Skin 1004 Madagascar cleansing foam. Wow. I was wow, just go this one, this baby go to the S. So anybody who has a sensitive skin, really reluctant and very scared to try anything else, try this. And also the good thing is just Round Lab, so easy to make the bubbles. And remember, whenever you cleanse it, only cleanse with the bubbles. So that's great. And it's affordable. Why not? And next, it's gonna be Haruharu Wonder gel. So comparing to other products, this is more similar to the COSRX gel because it's a gel. But I felt I don't get it. So after I make a serum cream, I am not just as spicy serum as I used to be. I tried to understand what's the purpose of the brand they make it this way. So I think they kind of target anybody who's doing double cleansing because after the oil, you have to use really mild, gentle cleanser. So I think they made it as a second cleanser. So anybody who think double cleansing is your religion, just use this. Then lightweight, but for me, it feels just too, I think they tried to make it too gentle. So it doesn't really erase that well. So I think why? And then the scent, why? So not for me, not for me. And the last baby goes like Oliviang #1 cleansing milk for many years. I have their their bottle at home, and this is the refill in my studio. This goes to, of course, S. Wow. And anybody who is super sensitive skin, and I'm so afraid about trying anything else, try with a cleansing milk. Because cleansing milk, whenever you go to the facials, they usually use the cleansing milk because comparing to cleansing oil or cleansing balm, the most gentle and soft cleanser. Of course, cleansing power is not as strong as a cleansing oil, but definitely working well than cleansing foam only. So little scent, but not that strong. Make Brand makes amazing cleanser. Their cleansing foam is great too. So I think worth the hype. New Year's recap, spending the day at the in-laws with the world's best galbijjim. I met the twins, 1 month older than Naun, but capturing a peaceful photo, not happening. With 3 brothers around, Naun was the undisputed star of the show. Sending you all love, luck, and happy vibes for the new year. Let's make it a great one. So, did you guys enjoy that? And I make the video about the serum and toner, moisturizer tier list right there. And anything you guys wanted to see in the next series, please put it in the comment too. Thank you. 감사합니다. Thank you so much for coming again this time too. And I'll see you guys in the next video. 안녕.